Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host, and today is a Mystery Box Monday. And Mystery Box Monday is one of my favorite days. I hope it's one of yours because I'm going to be opening some mystery boxes, really mystery bags, from Hobbii. So I have 2 mystery cake bags here that I can't wait to open. Alright, before I begin, I just wanted to show you this beautiful pink and white baby blanket that I've made. It's really nice. It's soft, so soft, machine washable and dryable, and it is the perfect size for a baby. And so if you know anybody who's expecting, just know this is in my Etsy shop right now, along with other baby blankets of different colors. So you might want to give that a look through. Anyway, I always feel a little bit embarrassed when I say that, when I'm like being like, oh, this thing behind me, ooh, look at me. Because like, I know it must sound so like, oh man, I've got an Etsy store, 123 Etsy, you know, all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, somebody told me that they really thought that I should be inserting my products in my videos. So I'm just using the advice of somebody who's older and wiser than I am. So that's why I'm doing that. I'm following some advice. So if it seems like kind of offbeat, it's because it's not really me. But I'm gonna sit here and open. I mean, it is me. I really did make that, but it's trying to push things on people. That's not really my thing. But anyway, I highly recommend when you're opening these boxes, not trying to pull it with your arm, and instead just using scissors like I just did, because the act of pulling on it like that can end up straining your back. Like the act of going like that, when there's resistance, it can really hurt your shoulder area, and it can really hurt your back, even down lower. And I know that from experience. So I just wanted to kind of give a warning to you guys, you know, don't do that. So anyway, I am thinking that these are going to probably be the same. I'm right. But they are absolutely beautiful. So the first one I get is this love the easy start tabs. These are Cotton Kings. I believe that these are the Sultan Shadows. Start with lights and ends with the dark. These make very beautiful shawls. I absolutely adore these. I think that they're great. I've shown you some of the shawls that I've made with them. In fact, I'm gonna get Greg involved. Hey, could you get me that shawl, the green shawl that I've made with that? It's just right there. I haven't woven the ends yet. And I've probably showed this like twice on the channel before, but just as an example of what it looks like, this right here is something that you can make with one of these kinds of things, the way that it gradiates from one color to the next, and you can see how it gets darker and darker. Now this was a Cotton King Sultan Deluxe, okay, so this had a little over 1,000 yards. This is just a regular Sultan, so this has about 900 yards. It's about 100, I think it's like 875 yards, but still very beautiful. And that's just one of these. All right. All right, so the next color I got, or this really pretty teal. I love these teal colors. I've gotten it several times in these. I like to put these in my mystery boxes because I always think people really like these, and they're so pretty. It's just a gorgeous color. I love looking at teal, but I don't think that it looks particularly good against my skin compared to some of the other colors that I do know looks really good on me. And so it's always a joy to put these in my mystery boxes. But still, you've got this like very like green, and then it goes to kind of this blue green color, and then it goes out to this darker color, if you want to kind of look at that there. And again, another Cotton King Sultan, but we like that teal. It's really pretty. So this is something that I've seen before, and I'm not quite certain what I'm not certain what this is called. I do know it's a Cotton King, but I'm not really quite certain what it's called. Now I have seen some of these that were red, white, and blue, kind of like it kind of looked like this, only like a Union Jack flag kind of looking thing. In fact, I put one of them in my 4th of July giveaway. But this looks like, kind of going with the flag thing, this kind of looks like maybe the Ukraine flag. I'm wondering if they have some kind of flag one, like Cotton King flags or something like that. I'm gonna have to look on Hobbii to see. But this came. I love these colors together, but I'm not quite certain what I would use these for. I normally would not put yellow in a mystery bag unless it went with a certain colorway, you know, like if it was yellow, orange, and like a rust red, something like that, you know. But it, you know, it's blue and yellow. I mean, they're famous for going well together. Just don't know what I would do with them. So I'm gonna definitely look this up and find out if this has to do with a flag or if it's just a color. I don't know. But I got 2 of those. Kind of interesting. And then, oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. Isn't this gorgeous, Greg? It's really beautiful, like, I want to call it a magenta. I don't know if I should call it, like, oh, it's just so deep. It's almost like a ruby red. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me go ahead and hold these 2 up together so you can kind of compare the difference between this teal and this, I want to call it magenta. And it looks like, it starts out with this kind of very, very like a berry red, okay, there, and then it goes out and it becomes more of a mauve, and then it goes out to black. This looks like it would be something that would look really, really pretty as a shawl. In fact, all of these would look pretty as a shawl. It's just that these Sultan shadows, like I can visualize it very, very well. Whereas the yellow and blue one, I'm not quite certain exactly what that would look like. But I mean, it would still be pretty, you know? So for those of you who are wondering, this is my Mystery Box Monday for the week. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I really appreciate it. I know that it's not as exciting when we get the same ones twice, but it's still so much fun to see what we get when we get those mystery boxes. Look for these in my mystery boxes on Etsy because that's where they're going to be going. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye for now.